To download free wallpapers on the Samsung Galaxy A37, first of all, we can go to Settings. Now, once you open Settings, we should be able to scroll down a little bit, and then you want to open Themes. And once you go to Galaxy Themes, then here at the bottom, we can go to Wallpapers. Now, most of the time, you can see some paid wallpapers in here. So if you're looking for free content, you might be able to find it at the bottom of this list, or you can just go to Top. And then on the left side, we can switch from all to free. So you will see only free content. And then we should be able to find a wallpaper that you wish to use on your phone. So let's say I'm gonna choose this one over here. Now we can tap on a download and then apply. You can of course decide if you want to use the wallpaper on the lock screen or home screen or both. I'm gonna set it for both. Then we can just simply tap on a done in the upper right corner, and there we go. That is pretty much it. We have a new wallpaper. And that is pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.